Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up job types in Servis Software. Follow these simple steps to create and customize your job types and improve your workflow. Let's get started. First, log into your Servis Software account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Data menu on the left-hand side under Management and select Job Types from the options. On the Job Types page, you'll see a list of existing job types. Click on the Add Job Type button to create a new job type. Once you've filled in the name of the job type, click on the Save button to add the new job type to your list. You'll be taken back to your job type page where you can see the new job type listed. If you need to rename your job type, click on the three dots next to the job type to make those changes. And that's it, you've successfully set up a new job type in Servis Software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.